Most cordless vacuums die halfway through cleaning, but this one claims up to 110 minutes runtime with their 2 batteries. So I tested it on pet hair, hard floors, and carpet to see if it's actually worth it. This is the NuYupo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with 110 minutes of runtime. As you can see, this vacuum comes with a ton of attachments, which we'll be using and showing how they use in real life. This vacuum comes with 2 batteries, giving you 110 minutes of runtime, and each battery can charge in 2.5 hours, which is actually pretty quick by battery speed. And I love how lightweight this vacuum is because I have strength issues, and so it's so nice that I can clean for a long time without feeling totally worn out from using this vacuum. So let's put it to the test. Our first test is the hard floors. And you can see it picks up debris quickly. It can easily maneuver around and kind of wiggle left and right. Look how low this can go to. It can go way down there, so you can really get under things. Okay, let's test this out on carpet and rugs. Notice that it has great suction, better than I was expecting. This works well for everyday cleaning, especially when you have a couple dogs in the house that leave fur everywhere.
Are you a furry monster?
And this is great for medium pile rugs and carpet. Anything taller, maybe it wouldn't get everything at the bottom, but works great for the height of pile that we have. And the pet hair test, because when you have 2 dogs with long fur, there's fur everywhere. So you can see it comes right up off the couches, off the rugs, off the hard floors. And this brush design is so nice because it prevents the pet hair from tangling too easily. So again, perfect for daily cleanups because in the summer we have to vacuum every day to handle all this fur. And it's so easy to convert this vacuum to handheld, and it has all these attachments for these tight spaces, which makes it great for when you need to clean out your car. And having 2 batteries is genuinely useful. If you have a larger home or apartment, it really allows you to do all your vacuuming in one go. And it's so lightweight that you can just go up and down the stairs with it. You can even mount this to the wall and set it up. We just take the battery out and just charge each battery individually because I don't have a good place to mount this next to an outlet. So the pros, it really does have a long runtime with the 2 batteries. I love the self-standing design. I don't have to worry about it falling over. And it has great suction for this lightweight vacuum. And of course, the fact that it is lightweight and so versatile with all these attachments. And it works great for pet hair. The cons, the dustbin is not huge, so you'll need to empty it more frequently. And it's not a deep cleaning vacuum with like crazy suction power, but for everyday pickup before someone comes over, it's perfect. And the runtime is not always 110 minutes. It depends on what suction mode you uses. So if you're doing your deeper suction, it'll go faster, which seems fair enough to me. If you want a lightweight, cordless vacuum that's easy to grab for everyday cleaning, especially if you have pets or hard floors, this one is a great option.